Constituency statements, and I call the member for Ryan.
Thank you, Madam Deputy Speaker. I have spoken many times in this place about the outstanding scientists and researchers based in my electorate of Ryan. We have some remarkable minds, from Professor Ian Fraser and his vaccine to treat cervical cancer to Professor Marie Smith and her recent success with chronic pain treatment. I could not be more proud to announce that yesterday Professor Perry Bartlett, the founding director of the Queensland Brain Institute, was awarded the 2015 CSL Florey Medal. Not only has Professor Bartlett transformed our understanding of the brain by challenging the opinion that adult brains were fixed and unchangeable, but he's also established the institute that focuses completely on neurological research. The CSL Florey Medal is one of Australia's most prestigious science awards. Established in 1998 by the Australian Institute of Policy and Science, the medal is named in honour of Australian Nobel Prize-winning scientist Sir Howard Florey, who developed the use of penicillin. It is part of the Tall Poppy campaign, which aims to recognise and promote scientific and intellectual excellence in Australia and significant achievements in biomedical science and/or human health advancement. Over the past 30 years, Professor Bartlett has made a series of groundbreaking discoveries in neuroscience.
Please.
His discovery of the presence of stem cells in the adult brain has given people with brain injuries and diseases and their families significant hope for future treatment. Professor Bartlett began his research into the brain in the late 1970s. In 1982, he predicted the presence of stem cells in the brain. 10 years later, he was able to prove that theory when he found stem cells in mice embryos and then in adult mice. Almost another decade after that, he was actually able to isolate the stem cells in the adult brain and prove that the brain is an ever-changing organ. His establishment of the Queensland Brain Institute in 2003 has been crucial to some significant neurological discoveries in recent years. Starting out in 2003 with just 10 researchers, the Institute now has more than 500 staff and hosts a new generation of innovative neuroscientists, including Professor Jürgen Gotz, who has recently had a breakthrough in non-invasive ultrasound technology, which shows promise in the treatment of Alzheimer's. Queensland Brain Institute's Centre for Ageing Dementia Research is the first facility in Australia focused solely on the prevention and treatment of dementia. Most recently, Professor Bartlett has used exercise to reverse effects of dementia and recover memories in mice. Next year, he will start human trials on people with dementia to see if exercise will have the same effect on our brains. Professor Bartlett is hopeful these discoveries will lead to potential treatments for dementia and possibly even dementia. Professor Bartlett is truly deserving of this honour. Since its inception in 1998, only 9 other scientists have been honoured with this award, including Professor Ian Fraser. Congratulations, Professor Perry Bartlett.
I thank